How to return items on Amazon and get a refund. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can return items on Amazon and get a refund. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Amazon application. Make sure that you're signed in into your account. Once you're on your home page, tap on your profile at the bottom. Then you have to head over to your orders. Tap on orders or go for see all orders. Now once you land on your orders tab, find the item that you want to return from your order history. Then once you select your order, then you have to tap on return or replace items next to the product. Then you'll be prompted to choose a reason and also choose the refund type. Select your return reason and choose whether you want the money back to your card, or you could also go for the Amazon gift card. After that, you have to choose the return method. Pick your return method, whether you would like to drop off or you like to go for the pickup or printing a label. Once you have chosen your return method, all you have to do is pack the item and ship to Amazon. Pack your item securely, attach any label and drop it off, or you could wait for the pickup. Once the Amazon gets your return, they will process your refund, which will take a few days, and after that your item will be returned and also you'll get a refund. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.